Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: your Apple ID email, access to a trusted phone or device, and a working internet connection. Once ready, open a browser and go to iForget. Apple.com, or on an iPhone Open Settings, tap your name, then password and security. Next tap Forgot Apple ID or Password, and type your Apple ID. This initiates identity verification. Why it matters is security. Apple must confirm you are the account owner before allowing a password reset. Once you've submitted your Apple ID, choose a verification method. You'll see two-factor prompts on a trusted device or a code sent by SMS to a trusted number. If you use a recovery key, have it ready because that proves ownership instantly. Otherwise, you may start account recovery, which can take several days. Follow on-screen instructions carefully, enter the code, approve the login on the trusted device, or complete steps for recovery. These actions protect your data and confirm you're authorized to reset the password. Now create your new password. Choose at least 8 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols, and make it unique versus other accounts. Once changed, sign back into your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and any services using your Apple ID. Make sure iCloud Keychain updates saved passwords. Finally, enable two-factor authentication if not already on. If something goes wrong and you remain locked out, start account recovery or contact Apple support. Provide device serial numbers and proof of purchase to speed up identity verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.